Hey everyone, my name is Ganning, and this is going to be step 2 of week 4 of Bit Project's Serverless Camp. This step is going to be focusing on how to do input validation on HTML forms. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's look at the first step. Check that you're on the bunny image front end branch. Type in get status to check that. On branch, bunny image front end. Perfect. Cool. That's done. Change your HTML form to accept multi-part form data in index.html. So to accept multi-part form data, what we can just take is this section right there. Ink type, this is similar to when you're writing your backend using parse multi-part. We're going to be sending it through form data and Postman. So this is how our users are actually going to interact with it on the front end. So that's done. Add a file input to index.html that accepts image x and change the attribute name to name is equal to image. The way we do that is we can just grab this line right here. Go ahead and just type that there, and you'll notice that this is going to be input type file, so users can upload a file. When they see this, they're going to get like that box that says file. Actually, it would be better if I just open this up on my computer. So look at this, you see that code, no file chosen right there, and this is the username box. Let's go ahead and create a placeholder. This way it's less intimidating, right? So code, this is the choose file button, which is what we want the user to be able to see. But you'll notice the issue right now is that I can upload anything. I can upload a PDF right now, right? So the way we can fix this is that we can say that accepts image xpng or whatever that is. So the way we do that is we just take this right there, go ahead and copy that, paste that in there. And yeah, so what this does is it only accepts image/PNG or JPEG. It does not take anything else. So now if you go ahead, you'll see that everything else that's not PNG or JPEG is completely grayed out and you can't upload them. That's what we want. This is just preventing malicious input, by the way. So modify the function in index.js to create an alert if the file input or the name is null. So let's go ahead and look at this. Let's see. If the, let's see, so what we can say is to check if the username is null, what we can say is, let's see, if username, this just means that if there's content in the username, but let's just say if not username like that, or what we can do is, what we can say if username is equal to like that, empty, what we can say is alert, no name error, like that, which is what we want. And yeah, this one is done. So let's modify the button so that it submits the form by only changing the type attribute. By only changing the type attribute to submit. So let's modify the, to do that, what we're going to do is check if this is type submit. It is, we're good. Yeah, okay, so we've done this because our attribute is already submit right here. So when we click this button, it's already going to submit the form. Prevent the page from reloading. That's what event.prevent default does. There. Commit your updated code. So let's go ahead and try this out real quick. Let's just see if this works. Difference.png, file name like that. Click submit. You'll notice that the file name still comes back. However, if we don't submit anything, no name error. Perfect. Cool. So now let's go ahead and commit our code. So what we can say is git add dot git commit. Did I type 3 N's? There we go. Add step 2 git push origin bunny image upload. There we go. Why did that say that? Oh, git push origin. It says everything's up to date. I will fix that in a second. I'll be right back. Oh. Okay, sorry about that. The issue is that it's not bunny image upload, it's bunny image front end. So let me go ahead and fix that real quick. There we go. That's done. Let's go ahead and go into pull requests, compare pull request, add step 2, create pull request, and I will be right back after this check finishes. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at what CounselorBot said. Ooh, and you'll notice that it says failed. So let's go ahead and look at what happened. Trying to find the text, thanks. Oh, so the issue here was that we're doing saying username right here, but we actually need to return the text, thanks. that should be the issue. So let's go ahead and recommit our code. Cool. So now we recommitted our code, and let's go ahead and wait till the bot checks it again. Cool. So after we fix that error, you'll see that Counselor Bot approved our changes. So we're good. Go ahead and merge. Yeah, that's it for this step. Let me know if you have any questions.